Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. In this video, I'll be guiding you how you can actually buy the exact tablet for your needs. So right now I got this small chart and I'll be demonstrating a few of the tablets which are really interested right now to buy in the Flipkart right now. So try to watch till end of the video if you want to know which tablet is exactly suitable for your needs. So this is a small chart which categorized all my needs into one, so you'll get to know exactly what I'm talking about. So first thing is that you need to decide which type of screen you want to buy. So you want to buy the 8-inch tablet or the 10-inch tablet. So there are the two different kind of segment range. One is a 8-inch and one is a 10-inch. So it's up to you to decide which tablet to buy. Usually for the educational purpose and for online classes, I would recommend to buy the 10-inch tablet because the screen is very big and you won't feel that much stress watching for a long time. So in my opinion, 10-inch should be the best option for you to buy. So 10-inch will be the best option. So once you got the screen selected, the next thing is the connectivity. So every model you see in the Flipkart or Amazon, there will be two different variant, one with the Wi-Fi and one with the normal 4G Wi-Fi plus 4G as well. So usually if in your house, if there is any Wi-Fi router, you can go for the Wi-Fi, but in case as a backup, it's better to have always the 4G option as well. So in case if the Wi-Fi connection or if there is any power cut in your home, so just imagine in that case you can immediately change the Geo SIM or any other SIM card in your tablet and you can continue the online classes using this Wi-Fi plus 4G tablet. So that is the reason why I would always recommend for the users to always buy the 4G version, as you can see here. So this is a Wi-Fi plus 4G version which is available. So usually the 4G variants will be a little bit expensive than the normal Wi-Fi signal, but it's highly worth of spending right now the money instead of worrying about later. So the Wi-Fi plus 4G option is the best option in my opinion. So next is the RAM and storage management. So usually the RAM, I have seen a few of the mobile phones, they are having very less RAM, close to 1 GB or 2 GB RAM, but I would recommend you to better choose a 3 GB RAM variant. So in another video I'll come with the best tablets which are available for 10,000 and under 15,000 prices as well. So I'll do a separate video where I'll be including everything, all these topics over there as well. So meanwhile, try to subscribe to my channel. And in terms of the RAM, I would recommend minimum of 3 GB nowadays. So minimum 3 GB should be alright, and storage is minimum 32 GB because we cannot find 64 GB or more storage under 15,000 or 10,000 rupees. So that's why I kept this kind of things to the basic itself. So 3 GB and 32 GB. So you will be having expandable memory as well. So better to choose the expandable memory card tablets as well. So next is the processor. So try to always check the processor of the tablet as well, friends, because after using for a long time, definitely the tablet will feel lag as well. So it's better to choose a good processor before buying the actual tablet. So always try to check the processor as well before buying. So next is a brand. So there are basically three different brands are available in this Android tablet segment. So Samsung, Lenovo and Huawei Honor. So mostly in this kind of budget range, 10,000 to 15,000, we can only find this kind of three major brands available. So I would recommend one brand which is a Lenovo brand. The reason why, because Honor and Huawei, which is a Chinese, and few of the people, they are boycotting the product, so that's why I did eliminate this one. And the Samsung is that kind of having little bit kind of heavy touch OS, so where Samsung skin will be so much heavy. So what I mean is that the Samsung will be having inbuilt applications which will be occupying a lot of memory, and that is the reason I did not suggest the Samsung. And Lenovo, why I think a Lenovo is the best, because it will have the stock Android applications only. So as you can see here, friends, only the stock Android applications will be there in the Lenovo tablets. So that is the reason mostly I would prefer the Lenovo tablet. So for any educational classes or any online classes, you don't want your tablet to get slow whenever you're opening and closing any applications. So that's why it's better to choose the Lenovo tablet overall. So next is a price range. So this is another thing where I will be making another video where I'll be discussing best tablets below 10k and 20k as well. So 10k and 20k, I'll try to cover these two topics, which are the tablets are the best and why I did pick those tablets. So try to subscribe to my channel meanwhile, and I'll definitely do a video on that one as well. So I hope this guiding will be helping you a lot, how to select a good tablet for this kind of price range, and what are the things you need to know before buying the device. And 4G is a must, friends. In my opinion, I would keep as a safety option 4G. So definitely 4G, 3GB RAM and 10-inch display will be very big and very good to watch the online classes. That should be pretty good. And Lenovo, and the price range you can get, as you can see right now, you can get even for 11,000, 12,000, but those are 8-inch models, so you need to spend a little bit more money for the 10-inch model, so which I'll be covering in another video, because this video will take very long length video, so I don't want to make that kind of video. That's why I did not include. So thank you for watching this video. And one more thing I forgot to mention about the battery. So about the battery, mostly the tablets will be having the close to range of 5000 mAh to 4500. So we usually rarely find the 6000 mAh battery in the tablet. So mostly I would recommend to buy close to 5000 mAh as a safety side as well. So thank you for watching this video, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.